Today our topic is about drugs affecting on endocrine system. So the endocrine system is a messenger system comprising feedback loops of the hormone released by internal gland of an organism directly into circulatory system that and other is regulating distant target organs. In vertebrates, the hypothalamus is the neutral control center for all endocrine systems. In human, the major endocrine glands are the thyroid gland and the adrenal gland. The study of endocrine system and its disorder is known as endocrinology. Endocrinology is a branch of internal medicine. Now we can see that in male we have thyroid disorder, yes, adrenals, ovaries, and parathyroid glands have both testes, pancreas, pituitary gland, and women have hypothalamus, pituitary gland, hypothalamus, thyroid, ovary, adrenal gland, parathyroid gland, thyroid gland, and pituitary gland. The hormones that endocrine that are all hormones produced by endocrine system. The hormonal system called the endocrine system in medical terminology has various glands that release different hormones. A hormone is any class of signal molecules produced by gland in a multicellular organism that are transported by circulatory system to target distant organ to regulate physiology and behavior. Hormones are like the body communication system. They take messages from one part of the body to another part of the body through gland to the targeted cell to do something important. The endocrine system influences the reproduction, metabolism, growth, and many other functions that have endocrine system have a very important endocrine glands have a very important part in our body. Now we can see the parathyroid gland, which is known as PTCH. They have the endocrine system, and pineal gland, a small gland near the center of the brain, in the brain side, and hypothalamus release a hormone that is a hormone in the anterior pituitary gland, and the pituitary gland hormone releasing hormone that is pituitary, and pituitary gland produce LHS, FSH, PRL, TCH, ACTH, and GH, and they perform different function. As you can see that LH and FH produce a tactotap or that is for testosterone are in our testosterone hormones produce sperm and ovary. And other you can see that posterior pituitary, that oxytocin and vasopressin, and GH produce as you see that TCH produce triadenothyramine, thyroxine, calcitonin, and ACTH produce estrogen, progesterone, anti-mullerian hormone, and other they were ACTH produce adrenaline, cortisol, aldosterone, DTH, and cortisol. They are present in there, and GH produce insulin, glucagon, and somatostatin. Now main classes of the hormonal drugs are 5-alpha reductase inhibitor, adrenal corticosteroid, corticotropin, glucocorticoids, mineral corticoid, adrenal corticoid inhibitor, androgens, anti-diuretic hormones, anti-gonadotropic agents, antithyroid agent, aromatase inhibitor, calcimimetics, calcitonin, estrogen receptor antagonist, gonadotropin releasing hormone antagonist, growth hormone receptor blockers, growth hormone, insulin like factors. Other one other or are melanocortin receptor agonist, parathyroid hormone and analogs, progesterone receptor and modulators, prolactin inhibitors, selective estrogen receptor modulator, sex hormone that is androgens and anabolic steroid, contraceptives, estrogen, gonadotropic releasing hormone, gonadotropin, progestin, sex hormone combination, somatostatin and somatostatin analogs, synthesis, evolution, stimulate thyroid drugs. Insulin from Latin word insula, that is insulant, is a peptide hormone produced by beta cell of pancreatic isolates, also called Langerhans isolate by name of Paul Langerhans, a German physician and anatomist who discovered the cell at the age of 21 while he was a medical student. It is considered to the main anabolic hormone of the body. It regulates the metabolism of carbohydrate, fats, and protein by promoting the absorption of glucose from blood into liver, fat, and skeletal muscle cell. Isolate cell anti autoantibodies, isolate antibodies are marked that appear when insulin producing a beta cell in pancreas are damaged. When pancreas damaged, then produce beta cells. They can be detected a long time of beta cells are completely destroyed. You can see the insulin structure. Again, decrease or absent insulin activity result in diabetic mellitus. The Greek word diabetes meaning siphon to pass through, and Latin word mellitus meaning sweet. A condition of high blood sugar level, hyperglycemia. There are two types of disease. In type 1 diabetes mellitus, the beta cells are destroyed by autoimmune reaction so that insulin no longer be synthesized or secreted by blood. Type 1 diabetes can occur without autoimmune nature, that is idiopathically. In type 2 diabetes mellitus, the destruction of beta cell is less pronounced than in type 1 diabetes, and it is not due to an autoimmune process. Instead, there is an accumulation of amyloid in the pancreatic islet, which is likely disrupts their anatomy and physiology. The pathogenesis of type 2 diabetes is not well understood, but reduced population of islet beta cells, reduced secretory function of islet beta cell, and survive. And peripheral tissue insulin resistance are known to be involved. They are very different. Type 2 diabetes or type 1 are very different to each other. In type 2 diabetes, characterized by increased glucagon secretion, which is unaffected by and unresponsive to the concentration of blood glucose by insulin is still secreted into blood in response to blood glucose. The result, glucose accumulate in blood. Every day, more than 4,000 people are newly diagnosed with diabetes in America. In 2000, there are 34.2 million Americans, or 10 to 5 percentage 10.5 percentage of the population had diabetes. In 1 to 10 million Americans have type 1 diabetes. In 19 million adults in Pakistan, 55 people with diabetes mellitus were registered in Kyrgyzstan. Common anti-diabetic agents include insulin, sulfonylureas or maltodextrin, sulfonylureas, chloropromide, glimepiride, glipizide, glyburide, and tolbutamide. Other one is megalotinides, thiazolidinide, alpha-glucosamine inhibitor, insertion mimetics, amylin analogs, and dipeptide 4s, and SGLT2 sodium glucose transporter inhibitor. Now we can use the drugs are insulin are number of different types, number different way to dose insulin, and no single regimen will work for every patient. They have different every body have different functions. That's why your different insulin patient available, like education, motivation, diabetes control, and resource must all be considered when he determined which method will be best fit each individual. Parent doses are 10 unit ml, 3 ml vial, 10 units ml, 10 ml vial. Insulin diagnosis, half life 4 to 6 minutes. Insulin diagnosis T1DM will array based on the patient age, weight, and residual pancreatic insulin activity. TIDM patient will typically require a total daily insulin dose of 0.4 to 10 units kg per day. After calculating the total daily dose, it should be given as follows. A typical starting dose in metabolic able patient 0.5 unit kg per day. Other insulin is non-sulfonylureas or beta-unidate melliferin. Melliferin is among the oldest and most well-studied oral anti-hyperglycemia agent. It officially has been demonstrated both in the primary prevention of disease and secondary prevention of disease related morbidity and mortality. Because of the metformin provoking low cost and minimal side effect profile, it is largely recommended as the first time initially more as a part of the combination therapy for the treatment and prevention of type 2 diabetes. Mechanism of Entaldazole is tablet immediate and release 500 mg, 850 mg, and 10,000 mg, and their half-life is 8 to 8.7 hours. The mechanism of these drugs or action is that big unidates are classified as non-sulfonylureas. Melform is only available big unidate for diabetes treatment. It inhibits the amount of glucose produced by the liver, increase in the insulin receptor binding, and stimulate tissue uptake of glucose. Other is a megalotinides, that is known as natigalinide. Natigalinide is an oral antidiabetic agent that, when used in the combination with metformin or rosiglitazone to treat type 2 diabetes, has been shown to be effective in a reduction HbA1c glycated hemoglobin relative to metformin or risdiplam. Internal dose is tablet 60 mg, 120 mg, and half-life is 1 to 1.4 hours. Other one is thiazolidinate zonides, rosiglitazone, and pioglitazone. Internal dosage tablet 2 mg or 4 mg, tablet 15 mg, 30